Okay, cool. So I got these old Intex headphones. Must be my brother got it, not for me. He got it for himself. He got it, I think, around 2010. It could be 2008, 2009, or 2011. I don't know, but it's somewhere around that, and it doesn't work. So it had a cable. Wait, hold on. This is the cable that it had. This is the cable. So I tore it. I had to break it from the headphone. Now, check this out. Do you see this? Now these are my earphones. This is my earphone, okay? This is my earphone. I've connected this with the headphone. Look, looks kind of weird, but I connected it with my headphones. So now, you know, the only reason I'm doing this is because not because I don't have the money to buy a new pair of headphones. It's because and I'm trying to show off that I can buy a new set of headphones. All I'm trying to say is I like the aesthetic of this headphone. I'll show you in a while how it looks. And I don't know if I'll find a new one out there, but why don't I use my earphones, you know, for the same? Also, it gives me a feeling of I made it, you know? Like the shirt, it's my father's shirt, but what I did is I cut the collars. It's a little, it was torn, you know, from many places. I stitched it, but this is something that I like to do. I like to make things my own, you know? I like to give them my own touch. It makes me feel like it's mine, you know? It's like it's an extension of myself, my whatever, you know? So that's why I'm doing it. I'm going to show you how you can manufacture this. You know how if you have an old that's the camera angle I want. Okay, so I'll be a manufacturer. Sorry about that. I burned this thing. You know, do you see this blade over here? I burned it. Not this one. This one. Oh wait, I'll show it to you. You saw that, and all the smoke it just went inside. So yeah. Don't try this at home. Okay, so what I have to do is first of all, I need to have a pair of earphones, okay? And if you like noise reduction, so what happened was, now I had this thing in my home lying around somewhere in the dark corners of my room. And then, so I used to listen to music with these earphones. I don't use headphones. I use earphones. So I was using these earphones and then I could hear the noise. There wasn't as much noise reduction. Like my dogs would bark, I would hear them, and you know, if something, I would just hear it, and I got tired of it, and I wanted to reduce the noise. I wanted noise reduction. So what I did was, because they were lying around, and because I don't have a job, so I don't like asking my father for money, rather than getting a job, I just sit at home and have zero expenses. Okay, so like I was saying, I like to give. If something attracts me, like if there's some kind of aesthetic, do you know like these headphones? If I see that, I like to try things like these. Or you see this shirt? It's my father's shirt. So I cut the collar. I had to stitch it all over, and now it's perfect. My camera. Okay, it's perfect. So okay, it's the best shirt I have. So, okay. Go up. Go up. Up, 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 up. Yep, that's what I want. And I want it. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this too, if you want to. I don't know if anybody would want to, but I'll show it to you. Anyway. So the first thing you need to do is you gotta unscrew these things, okay? Like so that you can open the blade. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. Seriously? Do you want to watch me unscrew these, what do you call them? I don't know what you call them. The left way or the right way with which you open, is this way or that way? I always get confused. It's this way, so you got to go anti-clock. Yeah, always unscrew, I don't know always, but unscrew you got to go anti-clock like I am doing right now. On. All right. I think I always have it. And make sure you keep these tiny, you know, can you see that? Whatever you call them, nails, whatever. So keep these safe, okay? Like I'm using these earphones, you know, cushion, whatever. I'm keeping them inside it so that I can see it. Now it's all red and black. So keep them safe. Don't miss them, you know, don't. You wanna, oh wait, hold on. Don't try this at home. This is the last one that's left, so I'ma open it. I'm really confused about moving to Mumbai. I'm not sure if I should, but it feels like a calling, you know. My health is alright, and I feel like I'll be able to survive that. But again, you know, I'm in my comfort zone and I don't want to lose it. Yeah, that's what's going on in the back of my head. And also it's like, you know, about all that. I mean, I like travel, but it's like I gotta book a flight and then see, okay, wait. So I unscrewed everything and now this thing comes out. All right, now this is a magnet. You'll find a magnet on the headphone thing. And you don't want this wire, so you gotta break it, okay? Now the wire's out. You don't need any wire except for the earphones thing. Okay. So now what you gotta do is you gotta take the, so this is how it should look like now, the headphone, all right? Just the plastic. What you gotta do now is you gotta take this magnet out somehow. How are you gonna do it? All right, this. So there's like a tiny bit of this thing over here. I'm gonna insert my knife to somehow, because I did it with the other one and it worked. Although it took time. Sorry about that, the bus. I'm using the inbuilt mic of the Osmo Pocket, DJI Osmo Pocket. And it's alright, I think, because I don't have any experience with, you know, the other mics, the external mics, so I can't say, you know, about that. This is the magnet, if I'm not wrong, right? This is the magnet, I think, because I have the other one. Let's check it out. I don't think they're magnets. I don't know what they are. I'm a loser. I don't want to put effort into what I'm doing. Really, like, I was doing it without recording, you know, but I felt like I should give it a try. I should give, you know, filming my experience with whatever I'm doing a try. And here I am. Maybe I should put it somewhere on top so that you can see what's going on. Okay. So this is what it looks like. That's why I'm adjusting the camera, always. And I don't want you to see my bed. Alright. Now what you have to do is you gotta burn this thing right here, so that this thing right here can go inside it, you know, so that it comes out of it. Either you can break this thing with, I don't know what thing you'll use. Like I was saying, we have to burn this thing. Burn Utica to the ground. Okay, are we ready? I don't know if this light is gonna work because it has very less amount of liquid, gas, whatever. Okay. Now when it's burning, when it's smoking hot, what you gotta do is you gotta put this thing inside it and you're gonna make a big hole. Okay? Ugh. Now it's hard as hell, but still we have done enough. Not enough actually, we gotta do a lot more. Why is this thing not working? Well, this is how it looks now. Victory. Now we're gonna test if this thing is gonna go inside it or not. There we have it. Half the job is done already. It's just, yeah, done. It's done, easy, okay? God, the smoke. I'm gonna switch on the fan now. I'm back again. How many times have I said that? Okay. Alright, so, okay, cool. Can you look at it? Alright, so I'm gonna reassemble it now. Okay, so these. Cool. Okay, so right, so we got. Come on. Okay. So this is what it looks like. All right, it looks pretty bad. Oh no. I made a mistake, but it's all right, I guess. Now the time has come for us to test it, okay? It's a bit messy, I'm not gonna lie, but it's just fine. So this is how it looks.